Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will see how to use Tailwind CSS in React. So what is Tailwind CSS? So Tailwind CSS is a utility-first CSS framework packed with classes like Flex, PT-4, Text-Center, and many more. So by using these classes, we can create our design. So in this lecture, we will see how to configure Tailwind CSS in our React project. So we need to click on Get Started, and here is the option for installation. So here, as you can see, we have tabs like Tailwind CLI, used post CSS, framework guide, and play CDN. So we need to go on framework guides. So as we are using create React app, we need to click on this. So here are the steps which we need to follow. So first one, we have created npx create React app and the name of the project, which is in our case client. Then we need to go inside the client folder. Okay, and then we need to do this second step. So let's go to VS Code, and here I'll open the terminal by pressing Ctrl and backtick key. Make sure that you are inside the client folder. So inside the client folder, we need to paste this line of code. Okay, we need to give this command. So I'll just copy and I'll paste it here and hit enter. Okay, so this is done. Let me clear this. Now I'll just copy this command. So let's copy this and let's paste it here. So this will create two files. One is post css.config.js and the second one is tailwind.config.js. Okay. Now let's see what is the next step. So inside tailwind.config.js, we need to paste this code. Okay. So let me copy this, and here I'll just remove everything from tailwind.config.js and I'll paste the code which we have copied. Then we need to go inside index.css. So let's copy this, and inside the src folder we have index.css. So let's remove this code and let's paste the code which we have copied, and I'll just save this file. Then inside the terminal we need to do npm run start. So here inside the client folder I will say npm start. So this will open localhost 3000. Let's wait. Okay, so our application is started. So let's try few classes. So inside app.js, here I will remove this app class and I'll say bg hyphen red hyphen, let's say 500. Let me save this file and let's go back, refresh. Okay, I need to remove this header. So let me close this terminal. Let's remove the header. We don't require this. Okay, save this. Let's say app component, save this. Okay, so as you can see, we are getting this background of red color. So our application is running successfully, and also we have installed Tailwind CSS. So let's add few more classes. Okay, so let's try with the text hyphen center. Save this, go back. So now as you can see, this is also working, and let's say text white. Okay, so text hyphen white. Save this, go back. So now the text is in white color. So this is working fine, and Tailwind CSS is configured successfully in our React project. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.